Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. In this episode, I will be discussing Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you guys are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. It is really appreciated if you do that, and also click the bell icon so you know whenever we have a new video. I do have other videos on this channel. I also do videos talking about some altcoins as well as playthrough series of Decentraland, which is a cryptocurrency-based game. And from time to time, I might even do some things in relationship to that of stock. So that being said, let's go ahead and get into some of the news with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll go into the charts. Excuse me. So first up, we head over to Twitter. I am on Twitter if you guys want to check me out. My handle is right below here at AtlasOfficialTV. Would love for you guys to come and say hi. And let's see what other people are saying over on Twitter. So start off with Michael Saylor says the ideal mobile wallet will eventually let you pay merchants in USD / Europe's European currency, funded by a low interest credit line secured by your Bitcoin assets. Excuse me. If Bitcoin collateral falls below threshold, switch to unsecured credit line at higher rate. Ergo, no need to sell your Bitcoin and incur taxes. So the reason why he's saying this is because some of the most prominent news that came out today is in regards to that of PayPal. So PayPal has announced that you will now be able to use their merchants and be able to technically pay with Bitcoin. The only thing is that it's getting converted back to dollars. So he's trying to say that in an ideal world, that wouldn't necessarily be the case. So PayPal users, excuse me, again, I don't know what's going on in my throat. PayPal users soon will be able to use cryptocurrency to pay for merchandise at millions of retailers, a move that could further push digital currencies into the mainstream. PayPal already allows customers to buy and sell Bitcoin and other digital assets such as Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Customers who have these cryptocurrencies will be able to convert them into real-world currencies to pay for items at the checkout register at 29 million merchants. The program rolls out over the next few months. There is no transaction fee, and customers can use only one type of cryptocurrency for each purchase. Enabling cryptocurrencies to make purchases at businesses around the world is the next chapter in driving the ubiquity and mass acceptance of digital currencies, Dan Schulman, PayPal CEO, said in a statement. So we'll cover some of the other bits of news here in just a second. Additionally, being shown is Bitcoin's currently evaluated about 35 ounces of gold. Do you guys feel that we are on track and we will hit 100 ounces of gold for one Bitcoin's value? I think it's very, very likely, but you guys let me know in the comments down below. Jeez. So sorry about that. And then next up is Chipotle. I'm trying to talk, by the way, but it's like whatever's going on with the phlegm or something, it's making it to the point where like I can't talk. I have to try and get it moved around. So I'm very sorry about that. Chipotle launches Burrito or Bitcoin interactive game to mark National Burrito Day. It's giving away $100,000. Okay, so check this out, guys. This is going to be taking place on April 1st. It's being specified that this is just coincidentally on April Fool's Day. They're making it clear that this is not an April Fool's joke. So if you guys want to participate in this, then this is going to be taking place on Thursday. You're going to be going to burritosorbitcoin.com. You're going to have to try and guess a valid 6-digit code. Each player gets 10 tries during the contest, which runs from noon to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Correct guesses could win up to $25,000 in Bitcoin or a free burrito, as Chipotle is also giving away $100,000 in food. So absolutely amazing. And I mean, no offense, Chipotle, I'd rather take the Bitcoin. Okay? I like Chipotle and everything, but man, I'd rather take the Bitcoin. Next up, let's go ahead and scroll on down here. This is pretty funny. Blair says, little sister asked me for one Bitcoin for her birthday. Me? What? $58,554. $57,420 is a lot of money. What do you need $60,369 for anyway, right? Because the price is constantly changing, but then you see that the price is still going up technically. So I thought that was funny. I've seen something kind of similar to that before, but that was funny. You got lucky that you did your own research on Bitcoin instead of following the financial advice of mainstream professors, traders, and journalists, really contorting the natural meaning of lucky here. This is really interesting. What just happened to Bitcoin? This was posted about 3 hours ago. But look at this, guys. This is through Whale Alerts. Their awesome Twitter like bot posting thing, updating you some major moves in the cryptoverse. And they actually showed all within the same time frame. You got 2001 Bitcoin, 1,999, and 1,999, 2001. So we're talking about a lot of money here. A lot of money. $842 million worth moved in 7 transactions, as he's reported over here on the far right-hand side. And a lot of these look like they were moved off of the exchanges. Some might have been moved internally. There's been some discussions. You can read through the thread to find out more details in regards to that. Then going ahead and looking over for Ethereum, superstar artist Damien Hirst is to sell 10,000 NFTs using a new Ethereum technology called Palm. Hirst said in a statement his new project challenges the concept of value through money and art. He will produce 10,000 works on paper that will be tied to corresponding NFTs. Hirst said, Palm is by far the best platform for me. It's new and art-focused. It's the most environmentally friendly, and it is quicker and cheaper to use. With Palm, artists can invent the future. Palm will be connected to the Ethereum network and enable artworks to be encrypted and secured in a more environmentally friendly way, its developer said. Interesting. We'll have to see. I mean, if it's built off the Ethereum network, we're still having some issues with that. So hopefully future updates will enhance whatever's going on with Palm even more. All right, so you guys can actually see here, just briefly, I'm looking at this. This is showing you guys any transactions that are occurring over $100,000. That's how I have my settings established with this. And we do have a progressive movement going downwards right now. We do have about an hour and 10 minutes left on the daily candle. If we actually hop on over to the chart itself, though, let's see how we're doing overall. And overall, you guys can actually see that we're doing good. So for one, we are actually in the green for the day. Number two is if you take a look at this established line that had set up as of the past. Let me try and get that dragged out that was about where we were at looking at that. So you guys can see that yesterday it essentially closed out right on that line, which if you watched my video yesterday, I was referencing this and I was saying that if we closed above this, that it would be a great position, basically setting us up to then go test out the next major level of resistance, which would be at $58,400, and establishing above that, then we would be making the run back towards $60,000. And lo and behold, what happened? Well, we closed out basically right on the line. You can see that there was some selling pressure that took place yesterday, this wick that dropped down and then recovered for the rally up, shooting all the way up to the high today at $59,397 before having some retracement. And as it is right now, it is holding above this line. So this is actually looking to be a level of support at $58,400. If it closes above that, that would be absolutely amazing. And then honestly, our next goal is going to be $60,000. And if we can smash $60,000, we only need to get to $61,800 roughly in order to break the previous all-time high. If you can get past that, it's open waters. We're talking about the next level on the Fibonacci, up here about $65,000. Beyond that, we're pushing to 70K. Beyond 70K, just based on where we're currently at right now, like tomorrow, if we wanted to get back on track to this previous trend, we would have to go all the way up to $86,707 towards that run of $100,000. So probably not going to happen in 24 hours, shooting up like $20,000 almost, but man can dream, right? A man can dream for sure. Now, levels of support we have currently are that $57,650. Below that is going to be then at $56,236. Let me go ahead and get that pulled out as well, and let me get this saved. 21 EMA is at $55,342. Further level drop down below is at $52,573. The volume is a little bit higher than what we've had over the weekend, but as of an overall point here, we still got some movement we need to get going on. And a lot of people are saying that April looks to be very bullish. We've only got a couple days left. I mean, technically, after the closure today, that means we have 1 day left because there's 31 days in March. April could be very explosive, hopefully, right? There could be some crazy news that comes out, some wacky thing that happens, but traditionally speaking, April is a good month. March for the last 2 years especially has been a little bit lackluster. Significant drop down would be at 52,631. RSI is looking great. We've still got plenty of room to grow on this. Technical radars are suggesting on the buy side as well. Let's go hop over and take a look at what's going on with Ethereum. Ethereum sees further gains with one daily candle closure secured already above the 21 EMA. The next day is looking very, very probable. So that would give us 2 points of reference. Ideally, we're looking for 3. That would indicate a strong trend continuation pattern, right? So right now, everything is looking good. We're more likely to push up. So let's focus on the positive side right now. Right now, we do have resistance taking place at 1,841. Above that, you do see a little bit of resistance that took place for the daily at 1,861. But overall, there's still higher levels that we need to kind of keep an eye on. So the next major level zone above that is going to be at 1941. Then we've got 1974, and then up to 2000 from a psychological standpoint. The all-time high, 2043. Breaking above that, got open waters. Big goal pushing for is going to be $100 increments all the way up to 2,500. Now, if this decides it wants to go down, we do have support being established at 1,745. That's going to coincide more than likely tomorrow with the 21 EMA, so keep that in mind as the 21 EMA is sloping upwards. Further level down below that is at 1,700, and a significant drop would be at 1,651. The RSI is still in a great position, starting to make a climb after having been in a bit of an oversold kind of zone. Not significant, but everything was kind of averaging out here. So we're starting to get a little bit of a climb up. Things are looking good in that respects. Volume for the day, still a little bit of a downtrend from what we saw over on the Monday side. So hopefully we start to see this slope up again, as stated with that of April's movement. Technical radars are suggesting a strong buy as well. So overall, things are looking quite good. One thing that I am looking at right now is, I thought I saw it there for a second. It was almost looking like a head and shoulders pattern, but it's actually not. Right here, you can see the shoulder is actually taller than that would be the head. So this doesn't look to be that strong of a case. And there's nothing over here to the side to suggest that this is an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So forget that I'm even talking about that at the moment. You guys are awesome. I do have referral links in the description for a bunch of stuff for Coinbase. If you want to get some free crypto starting off there, Gemini, some referral bonus crypto for you guys there too. BlockFi, as an affiliate, you can get up to $250 in bonus crypto using my affiliate link. And then for stocks, I got Webull and Robinhood. You can earn some free stocks there. So a bunch of free goodies for you guys. If you want to earn some free money, there you go. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, click the bell icon, drop a comment. Even if you guys want to say hi, I appreciate getting to know my community more. And, honestly, I haven't really been saying this, but if you guys want to share my videos on your Facebook or something with other people and you think it could be valuable, then by all means, let's try and continue to grow the community. I want to build a strong community and a lot of good people. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next episode.